Alright, so just had some coffee and am feeling a little bit more awake now, but I'm going to go ahead and start making some breakfast. I'm going to be making a breakfast burrito today. It's going to have eggs, bacon, some cheese, and breakfast sausage, and some hash browns. Alright, y'all. So I'm over here at Watson Falls and I am starting the hike, and the hike itself is 1 mile round trip, and I just crossed the road and right now it's starting to be really steep. Not that steep, but just right off the bat you're already kind of going on an incline, but it's a short hike so it won't be too bad. Alright, looks like we made it. Check out the view. Alright y'all, so we are at the next waterfall, trailhead that is, and this trail, it's also about a 1 mile round trip, but yeah, can't wait to see it. Alright y'all, so I am here at my last destination. It's the hot springs in the National Forest, and yeah, I think it's about a mile again of a hike, but yeah, this is going to be the finale for me, and we'll see how it goes. Alright y'all, so that pretty much wraps up my time here in Oregon. I am now heading up to the state of Washington, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video just as much as I enjoyed taking you guys along with me and experiencing what this state has to offer. There's a lot more that I didn't see, but in the little time that I had, I definitely enjoyed it. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.